welcome back to another video. Hope you enjoyed the last one. We're a bit icy, a bit mad, but yeah. So I just thought today I'd do another little ride. Gonna go some nice country stuff, some country scenes. Yeah, let's go. This is horrible. I don't want to follow her for the whole journey. Don't know. There's left. Yo! Oh, she better not be in front of me. No! No! Damn you! I've got two old women in front of me. I shouldn't have said, oh, that's karma. I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna go right. Oh, come on, love. Wheel spin. What's your drift out here? For the doggos. This road's long. Oh mate, come on. Oh. Nah. Oh, slipping. I can't even elaborate at all. Whew. Oh, are you joking? I'm gonna get stuck here. Come on. Let's creep this. Please. Oh, come on, you can do it. Come on, you beauty. Come on, you beauty. Come on. Oh, no way. Pick her up. Oh, heavy. Oh shit. And there a bit. Oh, I'm knackered, can you hear me? Damn! Oh, I wish I had that CRF right now. CRF would be nice to have right now. Now imagine if a fucking tractor comes on here now. Damn! Oh. This is so bad. I made it. Oh no. I'm alive. Just about. But what a glorious path that was. Off. Oh, are you serious? Left side. This side. If I get on that side, I'm not good. Ooh, ooh. Right, I'm gonna have to do a time lapse of this. I'm gonna have to go slow as all. Oh no. It's my back wheel I don't like, it's fucking road sliding. Oh no. It's like, why don't Max just try to kill me? Again, Honda CRF. Would be amazing right now. I'm sorry, doggo. I'm scared as well, don't you worry. See, if I slip out like that, what do I even do? Like, I'm sorry. I'm getting stuck. I don't know why it took me this way, but...
Oh, you can sat nav.
What's that? Yeah, yeah. It's not the right bike for this at all, though.
It's not as much as it further up, we're nearly there.
Yeah. Just slow. Oh, God. Thank you. Oh, God. I can't fall now, can I? I'm like that idiot. You better subscribe now if you're watching this, I tell you that. Oh, we're gonna get this hill, fuck's sake. Maybe a Royal Enfield would be nice about now as well, you know. Come on. Slow. If that wheel spins at all, I'm fucked. What started off as such a pleasant little ride is now full on adventure nightmare. Adventure slash nightmare. It's all fun though. So good. And I'm never coming this way again on this bike.